As a member of the anchoring team, my work is to continuously expand and improve our portfolio of anchoring solutions and to meet all the requirements that we need to have for specific floating solar projects. For that, we need to have a good understanding of all parameters that can apply on your system, and we are working as well on complex physics problems as testing our solution on test point sites. The development process, I said later, is a bit different if you're working on floating system or anchoring system. For floating system, everything needs to be built from scratch because it's a recent market. On the contrary, there are many other fields of technologies which already use anchoring solutions. So, for a specific problem, the first step is to find on the field if maybe we can find the solution somewhere else, and if not, we need to create it. R&D on anchoring is challenging because of the scale factor. We need to build a prototype and test in real project condition and with a good enough of time to validate the solution. It's not possible to develop new solutions without having contact with other teams. That's why we are continuously in touch with all different entities of CLTRs to gather all the information that we need to understand the needs and requirements on which we need to focus. We can create anchoring solutions without having this global vision of the structure. For example, we need to know the problematics that the construction team has while they install a floating solar system and the OEM team doing the maintenance.